Looking closer at a Preble County murder case, the victim's family will have her funeral later this month. Shanae Robinson was from Indianapolis. Deputies found her body inside a wrecked semi last week along the Ohio-Indiana line, and prosecutors charged the semi driver with her murder. News Center 7's John Bedell was in Preble County today. He saw the suspect in court. John also found out this is the second time he has faced murder charges.
Wednesday was the first time we saw LaDavid Shaw in court. We learned new details about the current case against him and his criminal past. Court documents I got a hold of Wednesday show Shaw admitted to killing Shanae Robinson in the parking lot of the Petro truck stop in New Paris because she would not shut up and that he strangled her with his hands. Then admitted he crashed his semi on I-70 in Richmond, Indiana in an attempt to stage her death as being from the crash. The charging document said he went back to the truck stop and took a shower there to try and remove evidence of his crime. Preble County Sheriff Mike Simpson told me Wednesday his detectives believe Shaw and Robinson knew each other. They just don't know exactly how yet.
I think there must have been some relationship there, meaning whether they were just friends or whatever, to the point where she was in a truck with him.
In court Wednesday, a judge told Shaw he needs $1 million to get out of jail.
We're talking about some pretty heavy-duty charges here.
The judge said he considers Shaw a flight risk since he's a trucker who knows his way around the country, said he's a public safety risk as a murder suspect, and also cited his criminal past, which prosecutors brought up in open court.
But it is not his first time. He's been charged with capital murder and convicted of manslaughter.
That led me to do some digging. I found state court records from Mississippi that show Shaw was originally charged with capital murder in the spring of 2007, then pleaded to a lesser charge of manslaughter before a judge sent him to prison in Mississippi in 2008. It's something we heard Shaw mention in a loud conversation with his lawyer in court Wednesday.
When it came to my previous charges, I pled guilty to those, and I stood before the court of law, and I did my time. I'm not a flight risk.
Prosecutors will present their case against Shaw to a grand jury here at the Preble County Courthouse on Monday. We'll let you know if a grand jury decides to indict him. In Eaton, I'm John Bedell, News Center 7.